You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is z equals 82. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Break up the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 11 over 13 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the L. Multiply both sides by 26. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is z equals 82.